I promised you that we would look at the parse the letters routine. Now, parse the letters is incredibly CPU intensive. It takes a lot of time to do it, and Salesforce kind of had, I was running out of resources pretty quickly. So what I did was I just said here, the basic problem is the quote. If there's quotes, then there are commas within the quotes, and I need to know that it's a comma, that it's a quote, and then know that everything inside of that quote is not to be treated as a field delimiter, but rather as just a comma that's part of the text, and put it all in the so I put multiple words separated by commas into one field. So all I did here was I said, well, look, if there's no quotes in it, okay, if contains a quote, and remember this backslash means whatever follows it is to be taken literally. If it's quotes, then if there's no quote, then to heck with it. We have no quotes. No, there's going to be no worries. We just go ahead and split it up based on the commas, and return the individual entry. Piece of cake. Now, and for the majority of them, that's going to be sufficient. That saved me tremendous amounts of code, and I didn't run out of resources so fast. However, if I do run into one of these quotes, there's no way to parse it correctly. So what I had to do is I had to build a little parser that actually goes through it character by character and assembles the actual string. So what it says here is basically it switches whether we're inside of quotes or not. And so this code basically says, you know, tolerate commas if it's inside the quotes, and know that they are not field delimiters. So what this does is this assembles the individual entry line by letter by letter, and accommodates problems, like accommodates the quotes issue, and it comes out right. So that worked out well. So that's what the whole parse the letters is about. Basically, it's surfing over the quotes problem.